Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Jennifer the Crazy Crafter. In this video, we are going to assemble this cute Halloween cookie box. That's right. And if you want to work along with me, you could get the SVG file over on dreamingtree.com. And this video is not sponsored, but Dreaming Tree has a lot of awesome files. So anyhow, let's go ahead and get into the video and crafting. Okay, so I have all my pieces here, and I know it's been a hot minute. I know I've already said that since I have done any kind of crafting, and hopefully when I get my carpal tunnel taken care of, I'll be able to do more. But I'm going to start with the band. And I probably should have checked just to make sure that this glue wasn't dried up, because I haven't used it in forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this tab if it comes out for me. When all else fails, I got a couple of these little glue bottles. So I'm just sticking some glue on there, gonna rub it in with my finger to kind of make it thin, just kind of like that. And my paper towel, wipe off my finger. And then I'm gonna line up these two pieces the best that I can. My eyesight's not the best, but I am not the perfect crafter. First to admit that. While I am holding that so it sticks, these center pieces from that and from the frame, I saved them because they're really excuse me, really nice scalloped shapes. Wouldn't that be cute layered on a card? Keep forgetting, your guys are down there. Okay, so that's glued together, because this is actually just going to slip over. And before I do that, I think I want to put my pumpkin on. Okay, and I certainly hope you guys can see that. I still have to work out my camera angles because I have not shot videos here. This is totally new, not a new craft desk, but it is a craft desk. You know, back in the day when I used to craft in my other house before the breakup occurred, I had an awesome setup, overhead and everything. I don't have a good overhead setup here, so I am going to try to make do. You know, life gets in the way. You lose your zest for stuff. Yeah, I'm just kind of now getting back into my element again, getting back to the things that I love to do, that I lost that over the last 3 years. And been trying to work on getting that back. So we are going to line him up, little jack-o'-lantern, try to get him straight up. It's like this glue is like drying already. Okay, he's not perfect, but he will do. Okay, now he is on there, and where is the stem? We are going to get the stem attached. Liquid glue is like the best for this stuff. And I try to spread it out so that it doesn't ooze out so much. So we're going to stick our stem on. Come on, move over there. Move into place where you're supposed to belong. Okay. Then I'm going to glue the other end of the band And the band will be done. Try to get that out to the edges here. And then we are going to fold this puppy over. Woo! And line him up the best that I can. Kind of like hold that there a little bit. Make sure it is a good solid. You know, I just thought of this. I probably should have inked my pumpkin. Oh well, too late now. I want to attach the frame, and I'm going to attach the inside piece, the acetate. I think I need a bigger glue here. This is a precision tip. I didn't think this through. Again, we're going out to the edges. And I was just looking, I was hoping I glued the right side, or else I was going to end up with just eyes on the other side. Eek! We're getting that in the glue. I didn't want to do that. It's going to be baby wipe time. Okay, let's flip this over. Somebody doesn't want me to craft today. I don't exactly want to commit to that yet. Well, looks like I am. Looks like I am committing. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to get my acetate on. And I got to double check the size here. And that is going to be like a perfect fit. Kind of want to go a little bit light on this, on the glue, because I don't want it really easing out onto the acetate. I certainly hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going around this edge. I know my hand's kind of getting away, but I apologize until I get a better camera setup. Yep, there is like glue on. Talk about making a mess. This is what I didn't want. Glue residue. I at least wanted to make it look half decent. Well, that's just gonna have to do for right now. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and attach the lid and the base. I did pre-score everything. So let's go ahead and let's see here. Okay, we're going to start with trying to put these sides together. Okay, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I am so sorry. I did get my glue bottle unclogged, but it's coming out really fast. I have to be careful. What I did is there was the flap, when this was lying flat, this flap here, I glued and attached to this lid. Then there were these side, I don't know if you can see this, but there's flaps like this, just like this, on the other side. Put glue on there and attached them to, like brought it up and attached them to the base. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put glue on these parts and we're going to fold this over. Okay, we are almost done with this. This is like a very short project. But let's let's get the glue on here. See what I mean? It's like coming out like super, super fast. It's like almost too much glue. But for large areas, that precision tip just wasn't cutting it. That's a little bit better. I just haven't been crafting for so long. It's like I forget things. Okay, let's go ahead and kind of line these up here, these sides, before we commit, because this dries rather quickly. Okay, we have, I still have to get that extra glue off the box, but our box is assembled. So what we do from here is we just, this flap folds in, you put your treats in there, box closes like that. Take your band, and I also noticed with Dreaming Tree, I put the pumpkin on backwards. It should have been this way instead of this way, but that's what makes mine unique, right? But after that, you put your band on. There we go. I actually think it was supposed to go the other way, but okay, I did take the band off and turn it around so that it keeps that little flap closed, and you can put your cookies in this. Isn't that stinking cute? So yeah, head over to Dreaming Tree and pick up your file. It is free. Make some great cookie treat boxes, and you don't have to limit yourself to just cookies either. So I thank you for watching, and I will see you in a video again here soon.